Hello everyone and welcome to Desi in Canada. I hope you're all fine, happy and healthy. ਤੇ ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ what is difference between PG diploma, that is postgraduate diploma, and master's degree. If you have done bachelor's from India and you want to come to Canada, I think the first question arising in everybody's mind is whether to do PG diploma or master degree. इसलिए आज दी वीडियो which we will discuss everything about cost of doing PG diploma versus masters, job opportunities, permanent residency. A little disclaimer before starting the video. In this video, I will not tell you that you should do PG diploma or you should do master's degree. Nothing like that. If you want a direct answer, this video may be not for you. But this video will definitely help you to build your decision. So little background about myself. I came to Canada to do masters. I did bachelor's of technology from India. But I have lot of friends here who did PG diploma from Canada. The pehla difference PG diploma te masters da ki hai. Firstly, if you want to do PG diploma, you have to do in a college in Canada. te agar tusi masters karni hai tanu ek university which masters karni payegi, and getting in university is difficult than getting in college. It's not impossible, but it's difficult in university than in college. So first difference is that you have to do PG diploma in college and you have to do masters in university. And now let's move towards our second difference, fee structure. PG diploma costlier है कि masters करनी cost. Definitely doing a masters from university is costlier than doing PG diploma from college. But having said that, सारी universities की fees same नहीं होंगी. You have to check their website. Some universities are cheaper than another. At the end, इन्ना fee structure difference भी नहीं होंदा जिन्ना कि ਆਪਾਂ सोचते हैं. ते हुन तीजा difference जो कि ਆਪਾਂ सब बहुत डरते हैं कि केड़ा easy है, diploma करना easy है कि degree करनी easy है. ਤੇ I would be very frank with you guys, degree करनी औखी हुंदी है diploma नालों. Definitely degree would be very much difficult ਤੇ diploma easily ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ. ਹੁਣ diploma ਫਰਕ ਵੀ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਹੜਾ diploma ਲੈ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, but mostly diploma ਬਹੁਤ hard ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ, but degree ਕਰਨ ਵਕਤ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਆਪਣਾ 200% ਦੇਣਾ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ. It's not impossible, I'm not saying like that, but definitely ਅਗਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ consider ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਿ ਕਿਹੜਾ easier ਹੋਏਗਾ, Masters is difficult and PG diploma is easier than. And the next difference is about job. It is very important to understand कि job opportunities किवे फर्क है diploma दी versus degree दी. If you want to target a specific job market, मतलब you are sure that you want to do job in a specific field only, then you should go for diploma. For example, I have done masters. I have done masters in ECE, electrical computer engineering. So in my field we had options of doing courses of electrical, electronics and computer. hun agar main chahni hai job lena, I can take in every field, but I'm not a specialized in one field. अगर तुसी एक डिप्लोमा करते हो, you become specialized in one field. Definitely अगर तुसी कोई और फील्ड में जाना चाहते हो तो ये डिफिकल्ट होएगा. But if you are very sure and very comfortable, you want to do job in that field, then diploma is for you because you become specialized in that. And my last point is PR. PR Canada ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋਣਾ master's degree ਨਾਲ easy ਹੈ ਕਿ PG diploma ਨਾਲ. Permanent resident होना possible है दोनों नाल, masters नाल भी PG diploma नाल. But it's easier for master student to get permanent residency than PG diploma student. क्यों? क्योंकि master student को एक advantage होता है. As soon as they graduate, as soon as they complete their master degree, they can apply for PNP जो कि होता है provisional nominee program, and then later permanent residency without having any job or without having any job experience. And even if they want to apply through express entry, they can apply with 1 year experience and they will get more points because they have done master degree from Canada. PG diploma वाले भी permanent resident हो जाते हैं, but it take a little more time for them than master student. They need to have 1 year of experience depending upon which province you are in. अगर तुसी Ontario ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ at least 1 year ਦਾ experience ਹੋਣਾ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੈ. ਤੁਹਾਡੀ field ਵਿੱਚ job ਹੋਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ permanent residency ਲਗਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ. So it's totally up to you guys. You want to do master degree ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ PG diploma, ਸਾਰੇ options ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ, ਸਾਰੇ points ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਨੇ. ਅਗਰ job ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ, job ਦੋਨਾਂ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੀ ਪੋਸੀਬਲ ਹੈ, ਪਰਮਾਨੈਂਟ ਰੈਜ਼ੀਡੈਂਸੀ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੀ ਪੋਸੀਬਲ ਹੈ। ਤੇ ਪੀਜੀ ਡਿਪਲੋਮਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਾਲਜ ਤੋਂ ਕਰੋਗੇ ਔਰ ਪੀਜੀ ਡਿਪਲੋਮਾ 1 ਈਅਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ, ਬਟ ਆਈ ਵਿਲ ਨੈਵਰ ਰეკਮੈਂਡ ਯੂ ਟੂ ਡੂ ਐਨੀਥਿੰਗ ਲੈਸ ਦੈਨ 1 or 1 ਈਅਰ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਫਿਰ ਵਰਕ ਪਰਮਿਟ ਵਿੱਚ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਆਈ। ਆਈ ਨੋ ਇਟਸ ਸੋ ਸਟ੍ਰੈਸਫੁਲ ਟੂ ਮੇਕ ਡਿਸੀਜਨ ਟੂ ਕਮ ਟੂ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਐਂਡ ਅਪੋਨ ਦੈਟ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਹੋਰ ਵੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਡਿਸੀਜਨਸ ਲੈਣੇ ਪੈਂਦੇ ਨੇ। ਇਫ ਯੂ ਹੈਵ ਐਨੀ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ feel free to ask me on Instagram or email me, or you can leave a comment down ताकि बाकियां दे भी अगर माइंड विच वो क्वेश्चन होए उन्हां नूं भी उस क्वेश्चन का आंसर मिले। I can make video on that or I can directly reply to your answers. So please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share with your friends and family, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.